everybody who is watching this fantastic video. This is Olenjolai Moko TAYAI. You are single. Simply just call me Sir Olenjolai Moko. I love you so much, and I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you into this fantastic moment of learning and training beautiful students of ordinary secondary education. I'm a Tanzanian, and I'm conducting these programs primarily, and I would like to dedicate it to all Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, Form 4 students in United Republic of Tanzania. However, that all the international students from every continent can benefit of this program. So I would like to take this opportunity to give you just a little introduction before we start our session. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome you. First of all, before just even I go further, just for the Form 1, I will use to teach in English and Swahili, right? So I would like to welcome you into our online school that's called Tanzania Online Ordinary Secondary School in square bracket Olenjolai. Simultaneously, I would like to welcome you into one of our official YouTube channel that called it Tanzania Online O-Level Secondary School in square bracket Olenjolai. Okay, so you can be asking yourself so many questions. What is purpose of also? Well, they're good questions. Okay, because whenever you're being welcomed in a certain program, the next questions you ask yourself is what the main purpose, what problems are we solving? Well, wonderful. According to my research that I've discovered that many students are used to get so many challenges on just mastering the subject of basic mathematics, in physics, chemistry, and even biology in most of ordinary secondary school, especially the word school. So possibly even yourself who are watching these programs, you are suffering about those 4 subjects, 3 science subjects and 1 beautiful subject which is called mathematics. So because these students they have passion in mathematics and science, but unfortunately maybe they are not getting good training, good systematic trainings, or they have been trained badly, or they don't have a good foundations on basic mathematics and pure science of pure scientific subjects. So they decide to be afraid or just to abandon and to forsake the subject of mathematics and science subjects and possibly to pursue even some other courses. So that's the problems we are solving here. We are here to train you, we are here to transform you radically from your present state to another state, regardless of your foundations, of the fundament of your knowledge in basic mathematics. Just to join in Tanzania Online Ordinary Secondary School in square bracket Olenjolai in order to learn as well as you can, and in order for you to receive good information, in order for you to get the right solution for your problems. Remember that I don't know everything concerning about basic mathematics or physics or chemistry. I just know small portions of it, but I'm ready to teach others what I just know. Okay, that is who I am. So I would like to take a few minutes also to let you be aware on registration to also means Tanzania Online Ordinary Secondary School in square bracket Olenjolai. Whenever you go any physical school or any physical institutions or college, you have to do registration. The good thing, you used to do time after time registrations, maybe 6 months registrations. After 6 months, when you go for vacations or you go for holiday, then you come back. Okay, you can come back again, you have to register yourself. So the first step, you have to create or open an email. Okay, an email. The 2 popular emails, you can have either a Gmail or Yahoo Mail. So if you have an email, you can skip the first step, right, of registration. This is just a 1-minute registration, and then you are doing a lifetime registrations. You never repeat it again. You just have to subscribe once, and then you are done. Then the second step, we ask you that you have to sign in. You have to sign in YouTube, because we have one of our YouTube platforms that called Tanzania Online O-Level Secondary School in square bracket Olenjolai. So sign in YouTube by using your email. Only 1 email is enough. If you don't have email, please open the email or create a new email. It's simple. Just in 5 minutes, go to Google and ask how can I create an email. Then the third step, after doing that, after signing in YouTube, Then the third step, you have to do it. So you signed in YouTube, and then after signing in YouTube, we ask you to search what? To search Tanzania Online Ordinary Secondary School, in square bracket Olenjolai, right? These are the abbreviations. Okay, to also Tanzania Online Ordinary Secondary School, in square bracket Olenjolai. When you are there, you're already in school. We have created departments. We have departments. We created them in terms of playlists. So when you are there, we ask you to look at your right hand side, at the bottoms of right hand side of this video, and then we ask you to click what? The button subscribe. Subscribe. So if you click this button of subscribe, then you have to do it. It means that the text will change from subscribe into subscribed, and then the icon of the bell appear. If you click this one, you have to choose the options of what? Of all. Afterward, we ask you to click against an icon which has been written share. So if you click these icons of share, then you can share this video with your friends, so WhatsApp, so Telegram, so Twitter, so Instagram, okay, so your email, etc., etc. So you can share with any students across the entire country of Tanzania or worldwide at any time and anywhere. Okay, so if you follow those 5 steps, we have already registered into also, so you have to start enjoying all the contents that I've created for you in order to go through step to step. Okay, so we have departments. Today we are in departments of basic mathematics. The subject is called basic mathematics, and we are in chapter 1 that's called numbers, and this is session 8, okay, which is titled as addition and subtractions of whole numbers. Pronounce it, addition and subtractions of whole numbers. This is content for pre-form 1 or form 1 student. Napenda kuchukua nafasi hii kukaribisha ndugu mtazamaji unayetazama video hii, labda wewe ni mwanafunzi au mwalimu. Nina furaha sana kuwa na wewe siku ya leo. Ninapenda kuchukua nafasi hii kukaribisha katika shule ya mtandao ya sekondari inaitwa Tanzania Online Ordinary Secondary School, katika mabano Olenjolai. Lakini pia napenda kuchukua nafasi hii kukaribisha katika mfumo mmoja ambao tunaotumia kwa ajili ya kuweza kufundisha na kutuma na kusambaza ujumbe huu au ujumbe wa mafundisho yetu ambao unaitwa Tanzania Online O-Level City School, katika mabano Olenjolai. Na pia napenda kuchukua nafasi hii kukaribisha katika vipindi mbalimbali ambavyo tunapokuwa tunafundisha, na napenda pia kuchukua nafasi hii kukaribisha na kukwambia kwamba kwa nini tunafanya nini ndani ya shule hii. Jukumu kubwa ambalo tunalo ni kufundisha na kuwahamasisha na pia kuwafungua wale waliofungwa au wanafunzi ambao walikuwa wamefungwa katika vifungo vya kutokuelewa masomo ya hisabati na sayansi. Kwa huo ndo mzigo ambao tunao, tathmini ambayo tumeifanya, utafiti ambao tumefanya. Kwenye shule nyingi sana kuna wanafunzi wengi wanasoma sana masomo ambayo ni ya art au ya sanaa kuliko masomo ya sayansi. Sio kwa sababu masomo ya sayansi ni sawa, ni magumu, lakini sio magumu kiasi ambacho wanafunzi wengi washindwe kuisoma. Wachache wanaweza wakashindwa kuyasoma kulingana na ugumu wake na kulingana kwamba haya masomo hayataweza kumsaidia katika maisha yake sasa na baadaye. Kwa hiyo tutajitahidi kufundisha masomo ya darasani, na tutajitahidi pia kuwafikirisha namna gani ya kuchukua maarifa wanayoipata darasani ili kubadilisha kwa ajili ya kutatua matatizo madogo madogo ambayo yanaendana na kiwango cha elimu ambacho unacho au kinachoweza kwenda pia zaidi ya kiwango hicho. Kwa hiyo napenda kuchukua nafasi hii pia kukaribisha na kukupa maelekezo jinsi gani unaweza kujisajili katika shule inayoitwa OSO, ambacho ni kifupi cha neno Tanzania Online Ordinary Secondary School in square bracket O. Kwa hatua ya kwanza, kama una email basi vuka hatua ya kwanza, lakini hatua ya kwanza kama huna email basi tengeneza email. Nenda kwenye Google afu andika jinsi gani ya kutengeneza email. Sawa? Kwa email kubwa ambazo ni maarufu kuna Gmail na Yahoo. Baada ya hapo kuna kitufe kwenye ukiangalia kwenye kompyuta yako kwenye simu ambayo kinaandikwa sign in kwa herufi kubwa katika YouTube. Ukifungua YouTube na kenda kwenye YouTube, alafu bonyeza kitufe cha sign in, ingiza username yako, alafu ingiza pia kitu kinaitwa password, namba yako ya siri. Baada ya hapo kisha uingia ndani ya mfumo wa YouTube, tafuta shule yetu ya kwenye mtandao inaitwa Tanzania Online Ordinary Secondary School in square bracket Olenjolai. Lakini andika tu Tanzania Online O Level Secondary School in square bracket. Kwa hiyo copy hicho nilichokiandika hapo, alafu andika hapo, alafu bonyeza kitufe cha kutafuta. Utakuwa umeshafika shuleni, bonyeza pia hicho kitufe kinachofuata, utakuwa umeshaingia shuleni na utaanza kuona video zetu zote tunazokuwa tunaziweka. Lakini ukishaingia pia katika channel na ukishaanza kuangalia video moja, utaona kitufe kilichoandikwa subscribe. Kwa hiyo kitufe cha subscribe kibonyeza, maana yake itabadilika, itaongezeka herufi D hapa. Maana yake sasa inaitwa kama subscribe. Na baada ya kubonyeza itatokea alama ya kengele, alafu bonyeza alama ya kengele, chagua chaguo la all. Na pia unaweza kuwashirikisha kwa kutumia wenzako video hizi na pamoja na masomo haya au vipindi hivi kupitia WhatsApp. Maana ukibonyeza manake kitufe cha share, unaweza ukashare nao au unaweza ukawatumia kwa rafiki zako kupitia WhatsApp, kupitia Telegram, kupitia Twitter, kupitia Instagram, kupitia Facebook, kupitia email na kadhalika. Kwa hiyo kumbuka kwamba maarifa hii inapatikana katika nchi nzima ya Tanzania na mahali popote duniani na muda wote. Kwa hiyo hakuna haja sasa ya kuogopa masomo ya hisabati. So the session of the day kwa kipindi chetu leo kinaitwa numbers, na manake ni kipindi cha 8 kinachoitwa addition and subtractions of the whole numbers. Manake jumlisha manake kujumlisha na kutoa namba nzima. Somo jepesi sana, kipindi jepesi sana kwako, ambao ni kwa ajili ya kidato cha kwanza au kwa ajili ya wanafunzi wanaojiandaa kuingia kidato cha kwanza wanaoita pre-form 1 na au form 1. Tufanye quick review. Quick review manake marudio. Quick review ya kipindi cha 7. Quick review of 40. So let us do quick review of session 7. So in session 7 we've been solving, tulikuwa tunafanya maswali, problem solving of what? Problem solving about what? About even number shuffle, about even numbers which are 2, 4, 6, etc. We have solved our problem solving about odd numbers, number witiri. Okay, number witiri zinazoanzia 1, 3, 5 na kuendelea. Then we solved the problems about what? Prime numbers. Okay, prime numbers. So prime numbers start from 2, 3, 5, etc. So we've been solving problems of different style, but remember that you can present this also in the number line. Okay, kwa number line maana yake ni mstari wa namba, tunaweza tukaziweka hizo namba. Kwa mfano labda tulikuwa labda kuanzia 11, 13, namba 9, prime numbers. Okay, so you used to use the number line. So this, I guess we talked about 30 number line. So 11, 13, then you have 17, we have 19. Maybe you've been asked to show the prime numbers between 10 and 20. Kwa hiyo manake hii ndo number line ambayo tulikuwa tumejifunza. And the homework that I left you, manake kazi ya nyumbani nilikuwa nimekuachia kwenye lile zoezi la tulikuwa nafanya zoezi kwamba kumbuka pia we have been solving exercise. Kumbuka exercise manake zoezi 1.3 from the book called the Secondary Basic Mathematics kwenye kitabu cha Secondary Basic Mathematics. So I left question 4 and the questions was asking you question 4, no. Was it question 4? Which among of the following is not prime? Yeah, question 4. Among the number 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, which one is not prime? Katika mtiririko wa namba 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Ipi ambayo sio namba tasa? Kwa maana kama not prime number is what? Is 9. 9 ndio kwa sababu 9 inagawanyika kwa 1, inagawanyika kwa 3 na inagawanyika kwa 9 pia. Okay, so that's what we have done. So kwa hiyo ndio tulichokuwa tumejifunza kwenye kipindi kilichopita. Leo hii tunaenda katika kipindi kinachoitwa addition and subtractions of all numbers. All numbers manake ni number 0. So before that we have something called arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations. Say arithmetic operations or basic operations. So arithmetic operations manake kwamba simply twende tu, what is nini maana arithmetic operation? Arithmetic operations. Wasema these are basic operations that are used in, we say basic operations, it means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, that are used to find result. Okay, just to manipulate, natumia kwamba manake zinazotumika kwa ajili ya what arithmetic are the basic operations that are used to combine what whole numbers. Manake kwamba haya ni matendo ya msingi ya hisabati ambayo yanakuwa yanatumika kujumlisha namba nzima au kutoa namba nzima au kuzidisha au kugawanya. Sawa? Kwa sema the four basic operation, basic mathematics operation are, the first one is called addition. Say addition. Addition manake ni jumlisha. The second one is called subtraction. Sema subtraction. Okay, the third one is called what? Multiplication. Kuzidisha. The first one is called division. Kugawanya. Haya ndo matendo makuu manne au ya msingi ya namba nzima. So today in this session 8 kwenye kipindi hiki cha 8 tutajifunza hizi matendo haya mawili. Alafu kipindi cha 9 nitakufundisha matendo haya mawili. Alafu tutaendelea tena. Kwa hiyo endelea kufuatilia. So asema addition manake jumlisha, addition of 40 whole numbers. Addition of whole numbers. Kujumlisha namba nzima. Addition of the whole numbers. Kwa sema 2 or mbili au zaidi ya namba mbili au 2 or more whole numbers can be added together, either horizontally or vertically. Kwa tunaweza tukajumlisha namba moja au mbili. Tunaweza tukajumlisha namba mbili au 3 au 4 au 5 au 6 au 8, 7 au 8 au 10 au 30 au 100 kwa njia mbili au kwa mifumo miwili. Tunaweza kuzijumlisha kwa njia ya mlalo au tunaweza kuzijumlisha namba hizo kwa njia wima. Njia mlalo na njia wima. Okay? So the process of adding numbers is the same like how you added in before. Nake unapojumlisha namba lazima uangalie place value, uangalie nafasi ya hiyo namba. So let us look about horizontal. Say horizontal addition. Horizontal addition manake kuongeza namba kwa njia ya mlalo. Okay? Kwa njia ya mlalo. Kwa tuna swali, tuna mfano hapa. Example 21. Ni check. Example 21 or example. Okay. So this is the example of 22 because we ended example 21. So we have to add what? 23,782 plus 14,893. Again, we have what? 238 plus 1,578. So solution. So you have to arrange these numbers properly for you to add these numbers horizontally. Manake jumlisha na 14,893. How are you going to add? So as what you have been taught in primary education. 2, we take the first number, which is ones, standing ones, plus the second number plus second number from right, third number from right, plus third number from right, okay, fourth number from right to fourth number from right, fifth number from right, and this fifth number from right. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. We just write here 5. And then 8 plus 9 is 17. We keep 1. Unashika moja. Then 7 plus 8 is 15. So keep plus 1 is 16. Okay. Then 3 plus 4 it is 7. Plus 1 is 8. Then 2 plus 1 is what? Is 3,000. So therefore, this is the response. Then, so suppose that this is A and this is B. So that the response for A. Then B, we have what? 238 plus what? 31,578. So adding ones with ones, tens with tens, the number that is hundreds with hundreds, thousands with thousands, 10,000 with 10,000, etc., etc. So for this case, we say that how we add? This is ones, 8 plus 8, then 3 plus 7, then 2 plus 5, then 1, then 0, because we don't have 1,000 and 10,000. While here we have 1,000 and 10,000. Thousands, okay? So 8 plus 8 is 16, we keep 1, okay? Then 7 plus 3 is 10, and then plus that one is 11. Then 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay. So 16. Then what? 11. Then 5 plus 2 it is 7. Then 1 plus 0 it is 1. Then 3 plus 0 it is 3. So this is the response. 238 plus 31,578 is equal to 31,500 and what? And 16. So that's the response. That is about what? Horizontal addition. So we can deal also with vertical addition. Vertical addition manake kujumlisha namba kwa njia wima. Vertical ni wima. Horizontal ni mlalo. Kujumlisha namba kwa njia ya mlalo. Okay? I'm helping my my former students who come from Swahili medium school, Swahili primary medium school. So for vertical, so you have what? You have example 23. So example 23, we'll be given two numbers, so you have to add these two numbers vertically. We have 237,820,000, then 542. So you have to add this 142 million, then 648, 793. So to add this, just you add according to arrangement from right toward left. 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 plus 9 is 13. We have 1, keep 1. So you have what, 13 again. So you still have 1 because this is 12 plus 1. So we kept 1. 8 plus 0 it is 8. Plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 4 it is 6. 8 plus 6 it is 14. We keep 1. 7 plus 2 it is 9. Plus 1 it is 0, we keep 1. 3 plus 4 is 7. And 1 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 0 it is 3. So the answer is 3,380,469,335. If you join me, welcome to enjoy the beauty of addition and subtractions of the whole numbers. Kama unajiunga nami, karibu uweze kufurahia uzuri wa kujumlisha na toa namba nzima. B au mfano wa pili, nimepewa kwamba tuchukue 2:38 tujumlishe na 31 578. 8 plus 8 it's 16. We keep 1. 3 plus 7 it's 10. Plus 1 it's 11. We keep 1. 2 plus 5 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 0 is 1. So it's 31,816. That is okay. Kwa hiyo ndio hivyo kujumlisha. Tuangalie kutoa namba nzima, subtraction. But we have something. We say that the answer obtained after the operations of addition is sum. So number other addition is also known, yani kitendo cha kujumlisha inajulikana pia kwa maneno yafuatayo. Addition is also known as what? Sum au summation. Maana sum au mahali pengine ukiambiwa kwamba tafuta summation au plus au add, naona au add au increase au find total au total of. Kwa hiyo kuna haya maneno, kuna sum kuna plus, kuna add, kuna increase, kuna total. Plus, sum, total, add, and increase. Kwa haya pia ni maneno mengine yanaweza kutumika katika kuzungumzia, kujumlisha namba, kujumlisha chochote. So it means that unaposikia addition ni sawa sana kusema add, kwa maana inachomaanisha kwamba addition ni sawa sawa kusema add au kusema increase au kusema sum au kusema total au kusema plus. Kwa hiyo ndo maana addition. Bear that in mind. Kumbuka hiyo tu. So subtraction. Subtractions of numbers. Two or more whole numbers. Numbers can be subtracted. Is that a whole number, a whole number can be subtracted. Can be subtracted from either from another whole number either horizontally or vertically. Copy this information. Nakili hizo taarifa za namna gani ya kuweza kujisajili. Now why should you subscribe? Because we have more than 500 videos in our channel. So be notified officially by the YouTube whenever we upload a new video in our channel. So we can subtract two numbers either horizontally or vertically, just like the addition. The same principle is going to be used. So example 24. Find 4, 9, 8 minus what? 1, 2, 9, 7. So to find the difference between those two numbers, we have 34,398 minus what? 12,387. So how do we subtract? As I told you, just take the first number on the right hand side, subtract the second number on the right hand side. Take the second number of the right hand side, subtract the second number on the right hand side. The third number of the right hand side, subtract the right number, the third number on the right hand side. The first number on the right hand side, subtract the first number on the right hand side. The fifth number on the right hand side, subtract with the fifth number from the right hand side. So 8 minus 7 is gives us 1. Then 9 minus 9 just gives us 0. Then 3 minus 3 just gives us 0. Then 4 minus 2 just gives us 2. 3 minus 1 just gives us 2. So therefore, 34,398 minus 12,700 387. This is equal to 22,001. That's the response. So this is what is horizontal subtraction. Horizontal subtraction. So vertical subtractions will be the same. Horizontal subtraction maana kutoa namba kwa njia ya mlango. Akaendelea kufanya zoezi kipindi chake sana kwa wanafunzi kuelewa, kwa sababu umesema vertical subtraction. Karibu sana ndugu mwanafunzi, ndugu mtazamaji, katika kufurahia uzuri wa hisabati, vertical subtraction. Kwa hiyo example 22, 23, 24, 25. So find 4, 9, 8, 3, 6, 2, 5 minus what? Minus 3, 7, 5, 6, 0, 9, 9. Let us subtract. So you just subtract the first number on the right hand side with the first number on the right hand side. 5 minus 9 is not possible. We have to borrow 1. So 1 and this 5 become 15. 15 minus 9, this will give us 6. Okay? So we still have 1. So we borrow 1 from 6, we get 11. 11 minus 9, it's 30. It's 2. Then we still have 7. 7 minus 0, it's 7. Then we have 3. So we borrow 1, so we have 13. 13 minus 6, it's what? 7. Then we still have 7. 7 minus 5, it is what? 2. Then we have 9. 9 minus 7 is what? 2. 4 minus 3 is what? 1. So that's the response, telling you that. So it's simple like that. So that is subtractions of whole number horizontally and vertically. So right now, after doing that, let us go and solve exercise 1.4. So problem solving, manake tufanye maswali, problems or solving problems. Kwa tunakuja kwa samba rejea, refer secondary, basically mathematics, refer secondary basic mathematics, book 3. Exercise zoezi, manake refer rejea kitabu cha secondary basic mathematics book 3, exercise 1.4, ukurasa wa 6, ambapo kuna maswali Q&A. Kumbuka ni question. We have question 1 up to question 17. Na maswali 17. Kwa mwanafunzi atakia jipime au yafanye kwa kujipima. Kwa hiyo mimi nitakusaidia baadhi ya maswali, mengine nitakuachia kama kazi ya nyumbani. So then, ladies and gentlemen, let me go to example 26, mfano wa 26. As I perform the following operation for question 1 to 10. Perform the following operation. Perform the following operations for question 1 to 10. Perform following operation for question 120. So I'm not going to write all the questions, all the 10 questions. I'll be writing some, and I'll solve some, and I'll leave some for you. Question 1 in this exercise is 300 and 24 plus 1,984. Then we have 5,849 plus 2,488. Then question 4 we have what? 1,943,576 and 48. So 1,943,576,048. So minus 706,453,045. We have question 7. We have 2,483,245 minus 2,784 plus 25 first of all. 25,498 minus what? 1,111,111. Question 9 and 4,321 plus 1,272 minus 7,483. Okay, so let us solve those questions and then go to the next question. So solution. So let me leave this as homework. This is not a part of the question, this is a numbering according to the book. So this is quiz, not the homework given. Quiz, it means do it now. So this is quiz 8. So for the question 2, we'll be given what? 5,849 plus what? 2,498. This is equal to what? 9 plus 4, 8. 9 plus 8 is what? 17. 17. We have 1. So 4 plus 9 is 13. Plus 1 is 14. Then 8 plus 4 is 12. And then plus 1 is what? 13. 5 plus 2 is 7. And plus 1 is 8. That's the response. Huh? So here we are. So this is the horizontal addition. Just a practice for horizontal addition. So solution for question 4. So question 4, you may just do it. Let me solve question 7. This one is your homework. Homework 8. Very simple for you to subtract that. Erase some, so erase it. Question 7, we have what? We'll be given this one. So for you to do it, we say that 2,483, no, 2,483,000 and 245 plus, first of all, 25,498. Tafuta equals. So 5 plus 8 is 13. This is equal to 13. We keep 1. Okay. 9 plus 4 is 13. Then plus 1 is 14. Keep 1. Still have 1. 4 plus 2, it's 6. Plus 1 is 7. 5. 8 plus 5 is 13, keep 1, 14, keep 1, 7. Then 5 plus 3 it is 8. 2 plus 8 is 10, so 0 keep 1. 4 plus 0 it is 5. 2 plus 0 it is 2. So it is 2 million, then 500, now 2,508,743. So now we have to minus with what we have there. We have 1,111,000, then 111. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. 7 minus 1 is 6. 8 minus 1 is 7. 0 minus 1 is not possible, so 10 minus 1 is 9. We have 4, remaining is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is the response. This is the answer. It's 1,397,632. So if you have understood on how you solve question 7 au umeelewa unafanya swali la 7, basi nikuachie hili ndio mazoezi yako. Homework 8. Fanya jumlisha, alafu kimaliza toa. So now we are going to what? Example 27. What are the results of the same book of the following operation? Following operations for question 11 to 15. What are the results of the following operation for questions 11 to 15? So so you have to solve question 3, question 5, question 6, question 8, and question 10. I left for you. So what are the results for the following operations for questions 11 to? So question 11, let me start with it. It's 2,745. plus 1,948. Then question 13, you'll be given 4,721 minus 1,194. Then question 15, you have a little bit challenging. It is 2,479,249,872. So minus 944,109,872. Okay, so let us add this. 5 plus 8 is 13, keep 1. 8 plus 8 is 9, it's 1. It's 8 plus 1 is 9. 7 plus 9 is what? 16, we keep 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, and plus 1 is 4. The response. So this is vertical addition and vertical subtraction. 1 minus 4 is not possible, just borrow 1 and add 1, became 11. 11 minus 4, this will make what, 7. Then here we remain with 1. So borrow 1 from 7. 7 means that 1, which become 10 here. So 11 minus 9, this will be equal to 2. Here we remain with what, 6. 6 minus 1 is what? It's 5. 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 minus 0 is 2. That's the response. Then, so your homework, you have to take the book, solve question 12 and question 14. So let me help you the one that seems like huge, but it's very simple. 2 minus 2 is 0. 7 minus 7 is 0. 8 minus 8 is 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5. 7 minus 4 is 3. 4 minus 9 is not possible. We borrow 1. It became 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. We remain with 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. So that is the response. The response is 1,535,120,000. Okay, so you have to solve question 12 and question 14. You have to order this book for you to go through it. Okay, so let me solve the last question. About to finish this session, so you have to stay patient. So example, oh, what this before? Subtraction is also known as 1 minus. Whenever you hear the word minus, means subtraction, kutoa, minus manake kutoa, difference, tafuta tofauti, manake tunatoa pia. Then you have the third word, addition, subtract, difference, decrease. Neno lingine pia decrease maana kutoa, deduct maana kutoa. Ukisikia neno less ndogo maana ni kutoa, alafu na take away. So take away ya kubebea chakula, take away ya kuhesabu. So these are the other terminologies of what is subtraction. Maana haya ni maneno mengine ambayo ukiyaona yametumika kwenye swali yanamaanisha kutoa. Sasa ngoja tufanye swali kidogo ambalo lina mtego ambayo inaita conceptual question. So ladies and gentlemen, this is example 28. It's a little bit concept. For this one, refer in exercise here, in the same exercise, question 16. So the question asks you, will the sums tumesema nini? Neno lingine la subtraction, la addition. Sums is alternative or it's a synonym or 40 of the word addition. Will the sums of the following, the word following I translated in Swahili means ifuatayo or ifuatayo, the following numbers, will the following numbers be even or odd? Will the sums of the following numbers be even or odd? Okay. Two numbers which are odd. Two numbers which are odd. B. Will the sum of the following two numbers which are even then C, an odd and uneven, an odd and uneven, an odd and uneven number. Penda kufanya sababu haya na maswali mengi wanayouliza kwenye mtihani ambayo yana mtego na anayopima uelewa wa vipengele mbalimbali. Any two odd numbers. Any two odd numbers. Okay, hili ni swali zuri ambasa, will the sums of the following numbers, will the sums, read with me, some. Will the sums of the following numbers be even or odd? Je, jumla ya namba zifuatazo itakuwa namba shufwa au namba witiri? Ndio swali. Jumla ya namba zifuatazo itakuwa ni namba shufwa au namba witiri? Kwa hapa tunaanza kuona tunafanyaje matendo, manake matendo ya hesabu, matendo ya msingi ya hesabu kwa namba shufwa, namba witiri na namba tasa labda. Lakini hapa amezungumzia namba witiri na namba tasa na namba shufwa. For two numbers which are odd, ukijumlisha namba mbili ambazo ni witiri, unapata namba witiri au namba shufwa. Kwa hiyo manake solution for Roman A. Roman A, manake the question asks you, if you take any odd number plus odd number, what will be the sum? Kwa hiyo sasa wewe ili uweze kujiridhisha kujua, chukua odd number mbili, jumlisha kwa mfano 1 jumlisha 3. The answer is 4. Is 4 even or odd? It's even. Then take another example. 11 plus 13. 11 is odd number, 13 is odd number. So if you add it, the answer is equal to what? 24. Is 24 even or odd? It's even. Maybe take a large number that possibly 134, 5. This is odd number. In number with plus what? Plus, let's say, okay, let me take 45. This is odd number. Then plus 941. This is an odd number. You measure 5 plus 1 is 6. Then 4 plus 4 it's 8. Then 9 plus 13. No, 9 plus 3. Answer is 12. So is this odd number or even number? Namba kisha kwa kubwa, angalia namba ya mwisho. Je, namba shufu namba witili. Hii namba witili kwa sababu namba ya mwisho namba witili. Na hii namba witili kwa sababu namba ya mwisho namba witili. Na hii namba shufu kwa sababu namba ya mwisho ni namba shufu. So it means that whenever you take any odd number, you add them together. The answer is what? Even number. Kwa kumbe ukichukua namba witili zozote ukazijumlisha, jibu litakuja namba yoyote shufu. Kwa jibu sasa tunaandikaje? Therefore, kwa hiyo, so the sum of what? Of two, the sum of two odd numbers is what? Is even number. Jumla ya namba mbili witili ni namba moja shufu. Kwa hiyo kama ni hivyo, two numbers which are even. For B, fanya homework. Umeelewa? C, an odd and an even number. Fanya C. Kwa je, nikichukua namba yote witili, nijumlishe na namba yote shufu, jibu litakuwa nini? Wala usitumize kichwa. Chukua mifano tu. Just take simple examples. Any odd number that you like, for example 5. Any even number that you like, maybe 10. So 5 plus 10, the answer is what? 15. Is 5 odd number? Yes. Is 10 even number? Yeah. Then take any odd number. For example, 43. It's an odd number. Take any 15 number, any even number. For example, 82. This is even number. 3 plus 2 is 12. Then 4 plus 8 it is what? 12. It is odd number. This is odd number, even number. This is odd number. Odd number, odd number. Right? So you can get confused that sometimes you may get a prime number. But remember that all prime numbers are odd numbers, but not all odd numbers are prime numbers. So for instance, we take 9 plus what? An even number, let's say 14. The answer is what? 13, then it's 23. So it's still 40 odd number. So whenever you take an odd number and add this even number, the answer is what? All of these are what? All of these are odd number. It's just like here. This is all these numbers in majibu, the even number. Kwa manake ha, B, therefore here. The sum, this is C. The sum of what? Of an even and the odd number is odd. It's odd number. C and N, and two odd numbers. Yani odd number plus odd number. And two odd numbers. And two odd numbers. And this one, two numbers which are odd. Okay, so C, D. D is your homework. So much 8. This is so much 8. Okay, let me finish with example 29. Example 29, concept, manake na mtego. Question 17 of exercise 1.4. Will the difference be even? Will the difference, kumbuka neno difference, neno lingine la subtraction. Will the difference be even? Be even or odd? Je, tofauti ya namba zifuatazo itakuwa namba shufwa au namba utili. When A, nitaifanya two different numbers, two different odd number. Two different odd numbers are subtracted. Then B, two different even numbers. Two different even numbers. Two different even numbers are subtracted. Two different odd numbers are subtracted, and two different even numbers are subtracted. Solution. Will the difference, je tofauti ya namba shufwa, je tofauti itakuwa namba shufwa au namba utili wakati ukichukua namba mbili ambazo ni utili ukazitoa, au tofauti je itakuwa namba shufwa au namba utili wakati ukichukua namba mbili ambazo ni shufwa ukazitoa. Kwa mimi nafanya A, utafanya B. Okay. Sasa two different odd numbers. Kwa maana yake nikichukua odd number ya kwanza toa odd number ya pili. Je, jibu itakuwa nini? Itakuwa even number au odd number? Jibu itakuwa even number au odd number? Swali. Kwa hiyo namna kufanya, chukua mfano. Take an odd number. Okay. Maybe 9 minus what? An odd number, 5. 9 minus 5, the answer is what? 4. Is 4 even or odd? It's even. Then take maybe 21 minus what? Another odd number, 17. So 21 minus 17, the answer is what? 4. Is 4 odd or even? It's even. Then take maybe 211 minus what? 49. So 11 minus 9 is 2. Then have 0. 10 minus 4, it is 6. 11, keep 1, yeah, okay. So it is even or odd. So all of these three numbers are even numbers. So whenever you subtract two different odd numbers, the answer is what? The answer is even number. Answer is even number. Kwa umeona mitego yake sasa hapo. Answer is even number. So we say that for 1A. So we say that the difference of two different odd numbers is the even number. Is even number. And common B, this is common. Common 8. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of session 8. I thank God who have been with me in preparation. I thank God who have given you opportunity to be with me. Remember to subscribe. Remember to share these contents with others. Remember to ask your questions in the comment section. Remember to do the homework, the quizzes. Remember to submit also your homework. So I'd like to invite you to join me in the next session, which will be session 9, where I'll teach you about multiplication and divisions of the whole numbers. Don't miss it. Invite your friends, invite your classmates to come and enjoy the beauty of basic mathematics. Hapa na mwisho wa kipindi chetu cha 8. Naomba kukaribisha na mshukuru Mungu aliyekuwa pamoja na mimi katika maandalizi na katika kipindi hiki au katika wakati huu ninapofundisha, na kushukuru Mungu na mshukuru Mungu pia aliyekupa nafasi ya kujiunga pamoja na mimi. Nakukaribisha kwenye kipindi kitakachofuata ambacho kitakuwa kipindi cha 9, nitakapokufundisha kuzidisha na kugawanya namba nzima. Hakikisha pia unajisajili kwa kusubscribe na unawataarifu na unawatumia wenzako pia video hizi na vipindi hivi. Hakikisha unauliza maswali kwenye comment section. Unahakikisha pia unasoma descriptions kwenye bonyeza kitufe kilichoandikwa show more kwa ajili ya kuweza kupata taarifa mbalimbali. Na pia ukisikia moyoni mwako unataka kumtolea Mungu sadaka ya shukrani kwa ajili ya huduma hii, kwa ajili ya kitu hiki, kwa ajili ya kitu kinachokifanya, unaweza ukatuma sadaka yako kwenye namba 0759745331 na itatumika kwa ajili ya kulipia gharama ya kuzalisha na kurekodi video zingine pia nzuri kwa ajili ya kuwafundisha maarifa ya hisabati na sayansi kwa kidato cha kwanza mpaka kidato cha 4. Mungu aendelee kubariki na kutunza mpaka atakapokutana kwa kipindi kitakachofuata. Jina langu Mwalimu Olenjolai. Tuungane pamoja. So thank you very much. May God bless you and keep you. And I would like to invite you, and I will be happy to have you in the next session. So may God bless you and keep you abundantly until we meet. Keep enjoying the beauty of basic mathematics and love it.